Hello guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to change the default homepage on WordPress. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to your admin page here for your WordPress website. Now at the left side, you want to go open up your settings. Now under your settings here, you want to go to reading. Now under reading, you should see a section here that says your homepage displays. Now, in this section, you have two options. So you have the your latest post here, but you could also select a static page. Once you click on a static page here, this actually allows you to basically specify what's your homepage. Now you can choose whichever page you already have right now or you've already created. Now from here, you could also choose your post page here if you want to. But yeah, so this one is really simple as long as you follow or go to the specific settings here that we've just shown. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.